Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily cryptocurrency, and look at that. If you watched the last video, just like I predicted, Bitcoin back over 40,000 up to $42,000, and a bunch of altcoins up 10 to 20%. We have Bitcoin up 9% today. There's a good chance, like I was saying in the last video, that Bitcoin can go below $40,000 again. So if you want to take some profits, now can be a good time. If you guys haven't watched that last video, make sure you stop what you're doing right now and watch the video. Today we're going to be going over just a short crypto update, some altcoins, and stay to the end because we're going to be doing the giveaway for the NFT. I forgot I announced the winner in the last video, so I'm going to be announcing the winner in this video. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin, we can see that they set a support here at around 42,000, and that support later turned into the resistance, and it's knocked on $42,000 door quite a lot of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th time that we see Bitcoin at the $42,000 price range. So this is a big price barrier for Bitcoin. If we see them going up to $45,000, that's going to be a good sign for Bitcoin that it'll be going to $50,000 and reclaiming new all-time highs. So the next step for Bitcoin is $45,000, $44,000 mark. That's the goal for Bitcoin right now. And if we see that happen with Bitcoin, then we'll see a good chance Ethereum, Solana, and other altcoins following the same trend. Now, the first coin I want to talk about today is Mirror Protocol, right under $2 per coin. Well, today it's up 50 cents, up 34%, so it's over $2 per coin now, but it was under $2 per coin for a long time. Just in the last week, this was a very good swing trade. It went from $1 all the way to like $1.50, back down to $1.50, and then back up to $2 per coin. Okay, so this coin has been experiencing more activity than the crypto market as a whole. You'll see Mirror is an Ethereum token that governs the Mirror protocol, which allows the creation of fungible assets that track the price of real-world assets. The project aims to enable 24/7 equity trading by minting synthetic versions of the real thing. Mirror token can be used to propose and vote on important changes to the protocol. Okay, so this is a coin that I was talking about on the close friends list for a while. They only have a $150 million market cap. They're a very small, they're basically a penny coin, and this is definitely a coin that can still 10x or even 5x to like $10 per coin. And if we look back in time, they were actually $12 per coin in the past. So it's not out of this world to think that Mirror Protocol can get to around $10 per coin, $8 per coin once again. All right, now I already took a lot of profits with Mirror Protocol because they were up significantly in just in 1 month. They were up like 70-80%. But I think that this one can be, a lot of profits could still be took at around $4, $5 per coin on a safer side of things. Now, obviously, altcoins are still risky. So another one is XLM. Most people know XLM. You can see I have around $500 just in this portfolio. They're up 10% on the day. But if we look at the last month, they're still down 22%. And if we look at the last year, they're still down 56%. And this is one that was up to 80 cents per coin earlier this year, not even that long ago, in 2021, like May 2021. And they hit 90 cents per coin again. So in my opinion, this is one that we'll definitely see going back to at least 30 cents, 40 cents once again, which would be around a 50%, 100% gain that's left on Stellar. All right, if we look at what's going on with them, Stellar is an open source blockchain network optimized for payment and digital asset insurance, launched back in 2014 and supported by the nonprofit Stellar Development Foundation. Stellar aims to connect the world's finance system, enabling businesses and developers to take advantage of the network's fast speed, low transaction, and interoperability. How it works, anyone can issue an asset, whether that be fiat, precious metals, any form of value as a digital token of Stellar network. And that could be good because commodities could even be used with XLM. All right, XLM then facilitates transactions with these tokens from anywhere across the globe, aiming for quicker, affordable, and sustainable than existing alternatives in the traditional financing system. Fueling all the network activity is XLM. All right, keep in mind XLM is positioned in the particularly useful in emerging markets, providing easy and affordable access to otherwise costly financial services such as cross-border payment and remittances. All right, allowing users to send and receive their payments in their preferred currency in a timely manner. So it is an interesting coin. There is a use case, there is utility. There's a $4.6 billion market cap, so it's still rather large. But to see this one swell up to around $10 billion market cap is not out of this world, especially if we see Bitcoin continue to new all-time highs as well. So that's a big thing for a lot of these altcoins, is riding on the success of Bitcoin. Now, Zcash is the last one I want to talk about, and it's very risky because it is a privacy coin, and a lot of the countries don't like privacy coins. But if you look at the technical analysis on this one, right around under $100, I would prefer to buy this one at. I probably won't buy over $100, but under $100, it's good to have on your radar because it shoots up to around $150, $200 very frequently. It's done it many times in the past year. And I feel like it's always good to have at least some private cryptocurrencies on your watch list because, in my opinion, there will always be demand for private coins. So Zcash is known as a private coin due to its focus on anonymity for users and the transaction to make the Zcash blockchain. It was developed by cryptography experts and to address what they saw was privacy issues with Bitcoin. Okay, so there is definitely utility behind this one. How it works, Zcash enables a range of public and private transaction types. Public addresses can send shielded transactions to private addresses, or transactions can either be fully private or fully public. Zcash makes use of zero-knowledge proofs, Z-snarks, which could be popular a couple years from now. So it might be a good thing to get on like the private cryptocurrencies a little bit earlier. Another good one is Verge. All right, Verge is another private cryptocurrency. In order to keep the information about the sender, receiver, and the transaction amount private, whenever a shielded Zcash transaction is made, an optional memo field can be filled in whenever a user makes a payment. Keep in mind, the Zcash protocol was designed to evolve in line with the needs of the community over time, governed by Zcash. They also have a market cap of 1.9 billion. Verge has a smaller market cap, okay, and the popularity is number 30. Zcash price jumps 29% after developers announce shift to proof of stake. So that's a big thing going on with Zcash right now. They're making that move to proof of stake, and they're also pretty good for the swing trade because, as you can see, like we talked about already, they go up 50, 100% and then crash back down pretty frequently. So it could be one that you might want to take advantage of. So those were the 3 different coins we talked about. Make sure you subscribe with post notifications on because we're going to talk about 3 safer coins. And then in the future, we're going to talk about 3 coins that are best for staking too and how to stake. So if you guys want to learn more and have more consistent crypto updates, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so now it's time for the NFT giveaway. So everyone's waiting on this time. So here we see everybody's name on the list. We have 1 through 40. So your odds are basically 1 through 40, but there's going to be 3 different winners. So making your odds significantly better. Now, I don't have time to always do this. And the thing is, like, a lot of people have underscores, periods in their name. So if you see your name and there's like no periods or underscores, just understand that a lot of the usernames, just to save me time, I didn't add in like the underscores or the periods or anything like that. So you should see your name. Just keep in mind that I took most of the underscores and the periods out for you guys. So realize what number you are, look at the number, and then we're going to go to Google and pick 3 random numbers right now. All right, so the first number is going to be number 21 is our first winner, so congratulations on that. The next one is number 9. Congratulations on winning number 20, number 9. And then the last one, we have number 28 as our last winner. Thank you guys for entering. I'm going to be doing this at least every 1 to 2 weeks. You can enter as many times as you want. You're bound to win eventually, and it's super easy to enter. As you guys know, you just share it with like 5 people and you automatically get entered into my giveaway. If you guys want to keep these giveaways going, just make it a habit of commenting on my YouTube channel and my Instagram, because I definitely don't have to be doing these giveaways, but the thing is, I want to do them. I want to give back to you guys. I want to share the wealth and give you guys NFTs. And a lot of times when I give people these NFTs, it's their first NFT, so it's getting more people into the NFT space also. Yeah, and the rule of the giveaway also is that if you have to watch the full video, this full video, and you actually have to reply to me. So you have to DM me and say, hey, I won, for you to actually claim your prize. So it's just too much for me to be reaching out to everyone individually. So go ahead and reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to send you your prize, your NFT that you won. Congratulations on winning. Thank you guys for participating, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.